What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're tackling a problem we've all faced, leftover coconut. Instead of letting it go to waste, we're going to transform that lonely coconut into 5 incredible, mouth-watering desserts. We're talking chewy coconut macaroons, creamy coconut rice pudding, decadent coconut chocolate truffles, and even coconut banana bread. We'll finish it all off with a super refreshing coconut ice cream. You guys ready to get this coconut party started? Let's do it! Oh, and before I forget, smash that like button down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out and lets me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of. Alright, first up we're making coconut macaroons. These little guys are super easy to whip up and only require a handful of ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of that leftover shredded coconut, a can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the 2 cups of shredded coconut, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Form the mixture into little mounds on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 25 minutes until golden brown. Let them cool completely before devouring. Trust me, these coconut macaroons are seriously addictive. Next up, we're diving into a classic comfort food coconut rice pudding. This recipe is perfect for using up leftover cooked rice. You'll need 2 cups of cooked rice, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Add the milk, coconut milk, sugar, shredded coconut, and salt to a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the mixture simmers. Stir in the cooked rice and vanilla extract. Let it simmer on low for 20 minutes until thickened. Enjoy your coconut rice pudding warm or cold with extra shredded coconut and a drizzle of honey on top. Chapter 3. Decadent Coconut Chocolate Truffles. These bite-sized treats are perfect for impressing your friends and family. You'll need 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Place the chocolate in a bowl and pour simmered cream over it. Whisk until smooth, then stir in butter, vanilla, and salt. Fold in the coconut, refrigerate until firm, and roll into truffles. Roll in coconut, cocoa powder, or nuts. Enjoy! Chapter 5. Coconut Banana Bread Bonanza. Adding coconut to banana bread takes it to a whole new level of deliciousness. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 ripe bananas, and 1 cup of shredded coconut. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a loaf pan. Whisk together the dry ingredients. Cream the butter and sugar. Beat in the eggs, then add vanilla, bananas, and coconut. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Pour into the pan and bake for 50-60 minutes. Cool before slicing and serving. Enjoy this moist, flavorful coconut banana bread anytime. Chapter 5. Cool down with coconut ice cream. This one's a real treat, especially on a hot day. You'll need 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Scoop the thick cream from the chilled coconut milk. Add the 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat until light and fluffy. Freeze for at least 4 hours. Scoop and enjoy your homemade coconut ice cream. It's creamy, refreshing, and the perfect treat. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 incredible desserts, all made with leftover coconut. Who knew that little bag of shredded coconut could bring so much joy and deliciousness? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some new favorite recipes to try out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. And be sure to let me know down in the comments which one of these coconut creations you're most excited to try first. Until next time, stay sweet.